Hello, it's Gerald Peplow again. We are out here at Mormon Rock. Now, Mormon Rock is famous because when the Mormons came from Utah and then went through the San Bernardino Mountains and went through the Death Valley and everything, this was what they saw, and they said, "This is God must have put him here for us." So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Cong Ming Niao. I'm going to put him in the air, and we're going to get video of everything going on. So I'm going to start the bird right now. Okay, right now it's thinking. All right, I'm going to start the recording. All right, so right now it's recording, and you're seeing Becky there. She's holding the camera for us. I'm right now waiting for satellites. I got my satellites. Home point is updated. I'm going to do an automatic launch. Okay. All right. So the plan is, Becky, that we're going to do a pan, go up as high as you can over the top, and then maybe a train will come by. I can't fly next to trains, but I can get them from a distance. So let's go. Okay, now I'm going to pan to the left, give it a left pan. Now I'm going to stop there and take a couple of panoramic shots. Get it to where we can see it. Okay, I know we can see it now, but until we see it better.
At that altitude?
Okay, now we're going right along the top of the ridge. You can see all the striations. That's all different layers. We checked it out earlier, and this is definitely sedimentary rock. But look how tilted it is. It's tilted because of all the forces from the San Andreas Fault.
He's over there. Probably need to bring him closer to us so he's not over anything.
Yep.
Max altitude reached.
Just gonna bring it down to where we can see him really clear. Where is he?
He's back behind us.
Now the rule is I can only go 400 feet unless I'm going over terrain. So I'm going to be well below 400 feet if I'm at the top of that mountain. So we're going to the top. Currently at 76.
How high are you? What?
247.
Okay. Because you're well above that right now.
Still see him well?
Oh, yeah.
Good. I lost him for a minute. All right.
You're only 247.
I'm at 350 now.
Okay.
I'm gonna just stop here. Let me do a slow turn.
Because you can come down.
I don't need to come down. What I want to do is I want to take a global picture of the area.
And you're still at 350.
I'm currently at 345, but I didn't want to stop me from doing what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm going to take another global picture. I'm currently at 71%, Becky. All right, again, it's over the top of the mountain, and it's taking a global picture, taking a lot of pictures and stitching them together. On another day, I'm going to come up here, Becky and I are going to come up here, and we're going to do more detailed pictures. This is generally just scouting for the video that we're going to do. Okay, about 69%. I always try to bring it back about 30%. Get it landed by 30%. %67. Thank you for coming out here with me.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.